Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel, you can find lot of hauls related to makeup, skincare, accessories, footwear, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under reviews, I do have lot of reviews for makeup, skincare, as well as I do have lot of comparison videos. That is, I compare two products, maybe of same company, different products, or maybe different companies, same kind of products. I do have lot of comparison videos as well as I have a separate playlist for new launches. That is the product which are just recently launched and I have already reviewed on my channel. I have a separate playlist for that also. And if this is what your choice is, then yes, you are at the right place. Please consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it, there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, or like if you want to send me directly some messages, or if you want to ask me anything, then definitely you can follow me on Instagram as well as on the Facebook. The links of the same will also be given in the description box, so check that as well. Now today we are going to talk about Color Bar Cuties. Yes, Color Bar has basically come out with some of their already existing products, but they have launched in the cutie size, that is the smaller version of the bigger products. And you know what, guess what, I have all five. That is, they have basically come up with five different ranges. That is, three are in the lip category and two is in the eyebrow and eye category. So what I have done, I have picked up one product from each and every category. You all can see. Okay, so these two are for eye category and these three are for the lips category. So I have picked up basically all five, but only one shade, because picking up all the shades and reviewing all the shades like doesn't make any sense, because as far as my knowledge is concerned, each and every shade what they have picked up for cuties are their mostly best sellers which they have already launched, that is, which is already in the market from a long time. Alright, now I'll just tell you about like each and every product. I'll show you the packaging as well as I'll tell you the little briefing. And whatever right now you can see on my lip is the same Color by Cutie lip pencil I have applied. On my eyelids, like that is on my lashes, the eyeliner which you can see as well as on the waterline which you can see is the same eyeliner which I'm going to talk about of this Color Bar today, is the same eyeliner. Okay, and the eyebrow pencil which I have used is like the pencil which I have used is the same which I'm going to talk. So like right now I have used all the products except the two lip products, that also I will show you the swatches, lip swatches as well as the hand swatch in the end. So like as we move on with the video, I'll show you all the swatches. Now first we will talk about their Color Bar cuties. This is what basically the packaging is. It is a dark maroon shiny packaging. It is kind of you cannot say exactly rose gold, but yes, it is a reflective packaging. They said Color Bar Cuties and they have given a red lip on the packaging. Okay, and it is stunning brow pencil, impressionate brow crayon. Net weight for this particular brow pencil is 0.73 grams. Okay, and they have only one shade available, which is 001 chestnut. You all can see 001 chestnut. Right, this is the only one shade available. Now when this is like the packaging, on the packaging they have given you, on the top they have given you all the details. When you flip the packaging, they have given you each and every detail. That is manufactured where, it is like stunning brow pencil, manufactured there, then manufactured like exactly what is the MRP. Sorry, MRP is 299 rupees inclusive of all taxes. Like manufactured in January 20, and net weight is, as I told you, 0.73 grams. Like each and every details are given on the packaging. This is just the packaging what we spoke about. Now when we talk about the brow pencil, this is the brow pencil. You all can see. This is the brow pencil what we are talking about. It is 0.73 grams. It is, you can say, little bit longer than my middle finger. But this is with the cap. But when we talk about the actual pencil, it is exactly the size of my middle finger. it is this small brow pencil. It doesn't come with the spoolie, so that is one drawback. Secondly, they have only one shade, that is universal chestnut. I am not sure, because some people they do have darker brows, some people have grey tone brow or like grey toned eyebrow hair. Then I don't know how they are going to work out. So this is the brow pencil, this is the shade chestnut. I'll just give you the swatch here. Intentionally I have shown you darker, but when you apply on the eyelid, it is neither too creamy nor too like powdery or nothing like that, but proper texture. But the drawback is it is too small compared to the price. That is, it is retailing for 299 rupees and you are just going to get only 0.73 grams. It is just okay. For eyebrow pencil it's okay, but rest all products I'll tell you one by one, but doesn't come with this spoolie. And inside, if you want to see, I can just show you the packaging from inside. It is like this, normal packaging, but they have given you some kind of packing so that the product doesn't break up. Alright, so this is the first product what we spoke about, that is their brow pencil. Now we will talk about the second product. If I see a little bit like, if I see on my desk, then please don't mind, because I have each and everything written over here. So if I see, then please excuse me for that. Now we will talk about the second product. It is their eye glide liner pencil. Okay, they have in that total 5 shades. Okay, I won't read out the shade names because that you can definitely make out from the website or maybe. And this, the collection, the Cutie collection is easily available on Purple, Nykaa as well as on their own website, that is on the colorone.com. It is easily available. Now the shade, as I told you, this is available in 5 different shades. The shade which I got is 010 glowing sapphire. You all can see 010 glowing sapphire. And as same packaging, each and every details with the MRP and everything. Even this retails for 299 rupees, and the net weight what you are going to get is 0.5 grams. Alright, so this is what I do not have the bigger size eye glide pencil, so I cannot compare it with that. But then definitely I can just show you the new one. It is this one. You are going to pay 299 rupees for this one. Okay, now the one part I forgot to tell you, each and every details, like if you are going to throw away this, then no problem, because the details are given over here. They have like given a sticker with the details, like everything, the MRP, the expiry and everything. So if you want to throw away the packaging, easily you can do that, so no problem. And this is what the pencil we are talking about. Okay, this is, I'll just show you. Main is the size. When you remove the pencil, you can see it is equivalent to my ring finger, and you are going to pay 299 rupees for this. Alright, I'll just watch it for you because I have already like applied on my eyelids as well as on my waterline, but I'll just show you. In this you get 5 different shades, so all shade option is available. This is very buttery, no doubt in that. This is very creamy, very buttery, easy to glide, doesn't come with any kind of sharpener. This is the swatch for that. First one is the eyebrow pencil, second one is the eye glide eye pencil, yeah, whatever, eyeliner, whatever you call. Okay, so we have already spoken about the 2 products. Now the third one we are going to talk about. Now the rest 3 products are their lip products. They have only come up with right now 5 different categories. So like the third one is their Matte Me As I Am. It is written color by Matte Me As I Am lip color, and the shade which I have got is 005 Outrage. In this particular Matte Me As I Am, you get total 6 shades. Yes, shade selection is there. You can select any one shade or whatever you want. And this is the packaging. Okay, I already have the Matte Me As I Am already original one. I'll just show you. We can just compare it with the new one. This one comes with the sharpener, the original one. With the MRP of that original one is 795, and this I think retail for 399 rupees. Let me check 1 minute. Yeah, 399. I'm right. So this is the new one. This is the original one. Y'all can see. Okay, this is the size difference, and this is the shade Devilry 018. Okay, and in this the net content I'll just tell you if I can. Yeah, 2.8 grams. In this 2.8 grams, in this you get 2.5 grams. I'm sure 2.8. Yeah, 2.8. And in this 2.5. Let me check 1 minute. Yeah, 2.50. Then this is proper, because in this you get 2.8, in this 2.8. So this is quite reasonable, because you are going to pay 399 rupees, and definitely during sale times you can check out this product. Sometimes the new launches are not on sale, but when I grabbed this all products from Purple, they were on sale for almost 30 to 35%. So during sale time you can check that. Okay, but this doesn't come with the sharpener, and this comes, as I told you, this is the outrage shade. It is 005. I'll just show you. It is very creamy, very buttery, same as their earlier launch. No difference in the texture, no difference in anything, only the packaging difference. It comes in this kind of packaging, doesn't come with the sharpener. That is all. Rest all things are mostly same, and of course the content and the price is different. Now we will talk about their lip liner first. This is the lip liner. I do not have the original one. I think original one retails for almost 650 to 675 rupees, and this the lip liner I think retails for 399 rupees if I am not wrong. 299 rupees. This is 299 rupees. That is 2 lip shades you are going to get in 399, and rest all products in 299. So definitely, even in this also you get each and every detail label on the product itself. Same product, same details, like same packaging, Calabar Cuties, all the details are same. Only definer lip liner, that is what written. Whatever product you are going to order, it's written over here on the packaging. When you flip the packaging, each and every other details are given, so you all can check. That is the net content and everything. I'll just read it for you. Net content is 0.73 grams in this particular lip pencil, same as the eyebrow pencil. Even eyebrow pencil is also 0.73 grams. Even this is also 0.73 grams. Okay, in this you get 4 different shades. Yes, the shade range is limited. You get only 4 shades, and the shade which I have is 017 Pure Vino or Vino. I'm not sure what they call, but this is the shade name. Is it written anywhere? Yeah. It's written on the pencil also, you all can see. Okay, so and this all are wooden pencils. Okay, they are not plastic pencils, they are not retractable, wooden pencils. So you have to sharpen it. This is what the shade is. We are talking about Pure Vino, and it is already applied on my lip. So what we will do is, side by side we will just check whether it is transferring or no. No, not much. Only one con which I felt is it is settling into fine lines of my lips little bit. So that is only one point which I didn't like. Otherwise, the lip pencil, the lip liner is very creamy, very buttery. It glides on easily on the lips. Rest all things are perfect. Now the last product what we are going to talk about is this Calabar Cuties. It is matte touch lipstick. It is for 1.3 grams, and this also retails for 399 rupees if I am not wrong. Yeah, 399 rupees. You all can see the details are given over here. 399 rupees. And the shade which I have got is 057 Fall in Love. In this particular matte touch lipsticks, you do get 10 shades. Of course, in the original range, they have more than that. I'm not sure how many shades. But in this particular cutie, you do get 10 shades. And this is what the packaging is. It is almost equivalent to my pointer finger. A little bit smaller than my pointer finger. This is what the packaging is. It is like brown color with the rose gold. And this is the quantity of the lipstick. 1.3 grams you get in total. Okay, and I'll just swatch it for you. This is the swatch for the lipstick. Okay, this is the final swatch. Now what I'll do is I'll just show you. This is their new launch. I have their earlier launch also, like the previous lipsticks. You all can see I do have this all lipsticks. I'll just show you one of the lipstick. This is the Cream Touch lipstick. This is the comparison. This is the daddy size and this is the baby size. This is the new launch. This is the earlier launch. I'll just show you this way, right? So this is the Cream Touch matte Cream Touch lipstick, and this one is Matte Touch lipstick, because in Matte Touch I was not having any of the Matte Touch lipstick, so I thought of ordering one. And basically I just wanted to review the whole particular range, but not all the shades, because it doesn't make any sense if I review all the shades with all this. Like if I'll review each and every product, so that you will have an idea about the net content, the MRP. Of course, that all details you can easily get it from website, but then you should be aware how it looks. So if I show you on the video, like if I show you the pencil, then you will have an idea. If I tell you 0.73 grams, you won't come to know how much is 0.73 gram will come in a pencil. But if you will see, if you will compare it to the finger or something, then you will have little bit of idea. Now what I'll do is, I just apply one by one 2 lipstick and I just show you in the end. So I just show you right now only. Like after removing this, I'll come in and like apply the second lipstick and I'll show you once again. Alright. Now this is the next shade, that is the Matte Me As I Am lip color 005 Outrage. Same formula, no difference in formula. Only the difference is it doesn't come with the sharpener, and like of course you have to sharpen. But the earlier one, as I told you, it comes with the sharpener. And this retails for 399 rupees. You all can see the swatch. Now I just come up again with the last swatch. Yes, now this is the last shade, Matte Touch lipstick 057 Fall in Love. This is the swatch. In this, total 10 shades are available and retail for 399 rupees. You can make your own selection. The packaging of the full collection is same, this kind of packaging. Okay, each and every details are given on the packaging also. But still, and even I have included each and everything in this particular video. Still, if you have anything to ask me, you can definitely comment down below in the comment section. Or else if you want, you can directly message me. That is, you can DM me on Instagram as well. The Instagram handle will also be given in the description box, so check that as well. And the buying link of each and every product will also be given in the comment section. It will be pinned in the comment section, so don't forget to check that as well. And basically I have covered each and every point. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You people watch the full video and don't give it a thumbs up. Please, that discourages me. So do give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. If you have any other video suggestions, the videos on which you want me, like the ideas on which you want me to make a videos on, definitely that also you can mention in the comment section. And yeah, covered each and every point. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.